In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use Whop clips. So in the Discover tab, go and search for Whop clips, and then you want to join this Whop. So once you've joined and gotten access to this Whop, you want to head over to the Learn tab because you want to learn how exactly do we clip. So they have provided their own course, and a lot of these WOPs do provide their own tutorials, so you can learn how exactly they want their clips. So they have a full tutorial we could just start, but as we can see, we have an introduction, intro to clipping, how to find offers to clip, how to set up your account, clipping types and examples, how to target specific audiences, submitting clips. So this is a very in-depth, detailed tutorial on how to clip. So a lot of these clipping that you are going to do, they have tutorials for you, so you can start with zero experience and you can start clipping and making money.